Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. iPhone 17 Pro Max has launched with massive changes and upgrades. Now its biggest rival giant company Samsung is preparing to launch its new device with minimal changes and upgrades. According to the latest available data, Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra flagship's new design has surfaced in renders, smartphone characteristics, and launching details. Let's dive into a full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra will have a powerful set of specs, that's for sure. Quite a new information has surfaced already, even though we're still months away from the phone's announcement. So, let's see what the phone is expected to offer. According to the latest renders of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra flagship smartphone, which have been published online. Judging by these newly published renders, the device will feature the same flat screen, side bezels, and 4 rear cameras as the Galaxy S25 Ultra, although the camera module design is slightly different. 3 cameras are now positioned vertically on the left side of the rear panel, within a prominent notch, while the 4th camera, LED flash, and additional sensor cutout remain in their current configuration. The phone's frame is completely flat, and the edges are rounded at the front and back for a comfortable grip. It will include a centered display camera hole up top. The bezels around the display will be thin and uniform at the same time. The corners of the device will be slightly rounded, just so that they don't cut into your hand when you're holding the phone. The phone measures 163.4 by 77.9 by 7.9 millimeters, 12.4 millimeters including the protruding cameras, making it slightly thinner than the 8.2 millimeters S25 Ultra and slightly longer, despite having the same 6.9-inch display. According to leaked information, the smartphone will retain its 5000 mAh battery, while details about 60 watts fast-wired charging remain inconsistent. The phone is reported to support the QI 2.2 standard with a magnetic mount. The new Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to be powered by the most powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. It will probably use the 4 Galaxy version of the chip, which is an overclocked version. Based on a report, the upcoming Exynos 2600 chip could also be used in some markets. This phone will feature up to 16 GB of RAM. The new Samsung Galaxy S26 series is expected to be unveiled in early 2026. More details should become available in the coming months. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.